Welcome everybody to a new video. Close your eyes, take a breath, loosen up your shoulders because I have got something powerful for you tonight. So, they told you that emotions have no place in business. They said if you want to be CEO, you need to think like a machine. I'm going to tell you, they were wrong. In fact, the most successful business move I ever made happened because I ignored the data and listened to a feeling that made absolutely no logical sense. And I'm going to tell you this exactly what it was in a minute. But first, if you ever been called too emotional or too sensitive, I'm here to tell you that's not a flaw. That is your profit margin. Welcome to the Wisdom Cauldron. Today we are rewiring the rules. So let's get one thing straight. Intuition isn't magic. It's efficiency, and it is, if you know how to use it, your most powerful compass and ally in business and everywhere else in your life. So while the business bros are spending 3 weeks analyzing spreadsheets to make a simple decision, you, the leader, CEO, intuitive woman, walks in the room, does a full body scan, and has like yes or no within the 3 seconds. Yes, that's not woo woo. That's high speed data processing, and your brain is picking up the micro cues that logic hasn't caught up yet. So ask yourself right now, have you ever had a bad feeling about a person, ignored it because they look good on paper, and then later regretted it? Type yes in the comment section if you've done this. I know I have, and this wasn't because I was lazy, but that was kind of your internal CEO saying and trying to save you a lot of time. Yes? So now let's talk about the thing you probably are the most afraid of to show in your business. Can you guess what that is? I'll share with you. Empathy. So traditional businesses advice says don't take it too personally. But in the wisdom cauldron, we know the business is only about connection and remembering. Think about the last time you bought something you loved. Did you buy it because of the price? Or did you buy it because you felt understood by the creator or the provider that was provided to you? Because you're an empath, you don't need $1 million focus group. You are the source, you are that focus group. You can feel the collective anxiety, hope, desire. And that on its own is elite level strategy that money, my honey, can't buy. So I promised I'd tell you about the time I ignored my data. So here it is. Are you leaning in? Good. So on paper, everything said, for example, I should launch a new course or I should partner with this person. And in my case, this was I needed to partner with this person. The numbers were perfect, but my stomach hurt and it was like in knots. So I pulled the plug last minute and everybody thought I was crazy. 2 months later, that partner turned out to be the most powerful fraud that I ever have seen. So my intuition saved my business. This is visionary foresight, your compass. You can feel the energy shift before the numbers drop. Reactive businesses die, but intuitive businesses survive. So stop trying turning off your sensitivity to fit into a suit or blueprint that doesn't fit you. The world is starving for leaders who lead from the heart. So if you are ready to stop hiding and start leading, this is your sign. Join us inside the Wisdom Cauldron membership. But before you go, intuition is useless if you don't know who you are. I made this video specifically about how your identity shapes your reality, and it's the missing piece to what we talked about today. So click here, right, to watch it next. Plus, if you want to go deeper into that, make sure to find the link in the description box below. where we go deeper into the identity work and the calendar you should live by based on how you feel, your zodiac sign, and your element. If you love intuitive leadership, CEO, herbal stuff, and don't want to rely on anybody else, make sure to follow me, subscribe, and hit that bell button. See you in the next one.